Invited to his dinner, sustenance for the sinner, unsavory morsels for the 12 apostles, blood and guts divine instead of bread and wine, not so nutritious, not even 2 fishes. On his flesh I will not dine, nor sup that drink sanguine. This supper is the last. I'll go on detox fast. Stay awake with him. It's night in the garden of Gethsemane, awaiting the enemy, a vigil through the night, before his mortal blight. Isn't too much to ask, hardly a major task. It's dark, it's feeling cold, just put the watch on hold. The cost is way too steep. Why not instead go to sleep? Kiss him on the cheek. That's the way to say, Jesus mild and meek. Someone must betray. Was the trick so dirty? He earns and not purloins. Count them, there are 30 lovely silver coins. Arrested the Nazarene, so he can stand trial. Such a tale serene makes me want to smile. What a great friend Peter, proven to be a cheater. So much for his pride. 3 times he denied. This chapter needs a booster. Let's introduce a rooster, so we listen to that cock-a-doodle-doo. The church apparently is built upon that rock. This story clearly is completely full of cock. Nail him to a cross. It is not our loss. He is no one's king, nor is he our boss. no necklace I will wear. Foolish appendix, this cross I will not bear. Gruesome crucifix, who on earth believes that poor old sod hanging there with thieves was the Son of God?